How to change your Pinterest profile picture. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Pinterest profile picture. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your home page. Below you can see some icons here. Click on the profile icon below in the left of the screen. Then you will see Edit Profile option here. Click on it and you will be guided to this page. Again click on Edit, then click on Update Profile Picture. Now select the profile picture you want to set it. After you select the picture, click on Done to change it. It will take few moments. You have successfully changed your profile picture here. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.